Hello everyone and welcome back to Rice Fix. And if your Pajero Vespa 125 is not starting even after kicking it so hard, or even if you use the self start, then what exactly you should be doing, that I will show you in this video. So come on, let's start the video. So as you can see here, I have tried many times by kicking and using the self starter as well. And in this video I have kicked just to show you guys, but I have been trying for 1 hour now by kicking, but still this bike is not starting. So the first thing that I will be doing is I will check the spark plug of this bike. If the spark plug is getting current and if it is producing a spark. So first thing, you'll have to come down here and you will see a compartment. This compartment you will have to open. It is holded by one screw. You will have to use a screwdriver like this and take out this screw. So here comes out my screw. Now this shelf you can pull it out easily like this. So here is our spark plug connection. Then I will remove the spark plug connection. I will use a long screwdriver and pry it out. And once I pry it out, I will pull out rest of it by my hand. You will have to shake it slightly like this to take it out. So here comes out my connection. So once I take out this connection, I will rotate this socket and take it out completely, and I will disconnect it from the wire because I want to test the wire now if it is getting the current. So like this, you will have to touch the wire to the casing and try to start the bike and check if the spark is coming. And as you guys can see, spark is coming for my wire, which means that there is current supply for this wire. Then I will reconnect the socket. Now I will take out the spark plug. So here is my spark plug. So to take this out, you will need a spark plug removal socket. This comes with every bike. This spark plug socket you will get in the tools which come with the bike. And you will need a 17mm socket to turn the spark plug. So take that out and put it inside the hole. Now while rotating, I noticed that the socket is rotating just like that. So I was slightly confused here as what was happening. So I rotated with my hand itself, and when I took the spark plug out, I noticed that this looks like a different kind of a spark plug. Then I realized that half of the spark plug is still inside of the engine. As you can see here, this spark plug, the threaded part has remained inside. But first I will check if this spark plug produces spark. So connect the spark plug to the socket, touch the spark plug to the casing and try to start the bike. And as you can see here, this spark plug is producing sparks. But lot of dust is blown out from that hole when I tried to start the bike. Now as you can see here, half of my spark plug is still inside. So we tried a lot to take this spark plug out by welding, by putting tags, but it did not come out because the hole was too small to put the right tag, and we were not professionals also in doing welding. So the next thing we thought about is trying to open the entire bike. Now if you want a video on how to open the entire bike, then see that you comment below and let me know, and I will try to make a video on that as well. So the front section of the bike we separated from the engine, and when I took out the side plastic cover, I noticed that we can access the spark plug from the side like this. So I was very happy to see that. So I took a big screwdriver and I banged the spark plug from this side, so it became loose. So once it became loose, I used the same screwdriver, and this time I put the screwdriver from the spark plug hole, and then I gave 2 bangs on the screwdriver. By doing that, the screwdriver got a grip. It went inside of the spark plug. Then I took a vice plier and I turned the screwdriver, so it started turning. Then I kept on turning it, and after that it came out very easily. So here comes out my broken spark plug, which harassed me a lot. You guys have seen that already. My 5 minutes job, it made into a 1-day job. Now here comes my new spark plug. Now how to put this new spark plug? It is very easy. Like this, you will have to put it inside the socket which you got with your bike. Then you will have to slide the spark plug inside of the hole like this. Now if this spark plug did not break, then I wouldn't be able to show you guys properly how to put in the new spark plug. Now you can see properly how this spark plug is going inside from the side view. Then you will have to tighten it properly. Once you tighten it properly, the wire socket which you had taken out in the first place, that you will have to connect back. With this, your spark plug is now replaced. Now I have joined the bike again and I did all the connections, and let's check if it is starting now. Before the bike started, I had to kick it a lot because I had cleaned the carburetor as well. All the vacuum pipes which I had disconnected, those I connected back. So before that vacuum is created, the first time when you try to start the bike, you will have to kick it a lot, then it will go and start. Now as you can see here, my bike has started. So this was the success. So I'm going to put more videos on this. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notification when I release my next video. And like this, you will never miss any of my next videos. So that's all in this video guys, and I will see you guys in my next video.